Today we're looking at fraction of problems. They're called fraction of problems because it's a fraction of a whole number. All right, our first thing is of means times, so we turn this to multiplication. Our next step is we can put a 1 underneath. That does not change the value of our 12. Then we're able to multiply straight across. Multiply straight across, and we get 24 thirds, which we do that division, and we get our answer of 8. Next, again, we have 3/4 of 16. Of means times. We can multiply straight across. We get 48. This is over 1, so 4 times 1 is 4. Quick division problem here, extended fact, gives us the final answer of 12. Now we move on to at least this next one here can look a little tricky. We have of means times, and then we multiply straight across, just the same. Now this one, you'll notice, this one didn't work out to be a perfect math fact. This is now a job to go from improper to mixed. And the way to best do that would be to divide. And we turn a fraction, is actually a little division problem. So we come over here, 8 goes into 70 8 times, with 6 left over. Now, as you may remember from some previous conversations and videos that we've had, our quotient, the 8, is the whole number. Our remainder is the numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So in this case, it would be 8 6/8. And we won't worry about simplifying it right now, but we could actually then simplify that to a little bit smaller of a fraction and get, I can't help myself, 8 3/4. And our final question here is 5/6 of 30. Of means times. We multiply straight across. Put that 1 in there. We get 150 over 6. Again, we have a little division problem here to simplify this improper fraction. We can put 20 in there. There's 30 left. I know another 5 goes in for a perfect whole number answer of 20 plus 5 equals 25. So there's the basics of fraction of problems. We can just put a 1 under our whole number, multiply straight across, and simplify or convert from an improper to a mixed as necessary. Now let's take a look at a couple word problems. Our first word problem reads, a bakery used 5 cups of flour to make a full-size cake. If they wanted to make a cake that was 9/12 the size, how many cups of flour would they need? So we want to rewrite our problem as 9/12 of 5. As we discussed earlier, first thing first, of means times. We're going to rewrite 5 as 5 over 1. Now we are able to multiply straight across. We get 9 times 5 is 45 over 12. Now we have to convert to a mixed. We get 45 over 12. And it goes in 3 times with a remainder of 9. Now again, this 3 here is our whole number. The 9 is our numerator, and our denominator stays the same. And again, in the spirit of simplifying, once you get to 3 and 9/12, I look at 9/12 and I realize I can divide that by 3 over 3 and simplify it to 3 3/4. Don't forget our label because it's a word problem, 3 3/4 cups of flour.